Hello friends, I am your friend Akshada and from today we are going to start a new YouTube series on system programming. So let's start with introduction to system programming and softwares. So what is system programming? System software is actually a collection of programs. Each programs in this collection is called as system programs. System programming involves designing and writing computer programs that allow the computer hardware to interface with the programmer and the user, leading to the effective execution of application software on the computer system. Now we will see what is software. A software is a group of instructions that enable the user to interact with a computer, its hardware, or to perform certain tasks. So there are two types of software: system software and application software. Let's learn one by one. First is what is application software. Application software or a simply application are the often called as productivity programs or end user programs because they enable user to complete tasks such as creating documents, spreadsheets, database, publications and even playing games. So the examples of application software are spreadsheets, databases, web browser, presentations. Now we will see what is system software. System software is a type of computer program that is designed to run a computer hardware and application programs. System software include the programs that are dedicated to managing the computer itself. System software is a computer software that is an interface between user application and the hardware. The system software is a computer software designed to operate the computer hardware to provide the basic functionality and to provide a platform for running programs. System software consists of programs that manage and support computer system and its information processing activities. The system software examples are operating system, program software, utility software. So in this video tutorial, we have learned what is system programming, what is software and what are the two types of software, that is application software and the system software. I hope you understand. Thank you.